going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajunrnewbbq. Hope you're doing fine. I'm having an interesting day. Right before this episode shot, I was chewing on a piece of candy, some Twizzlers. First time I've had Twizzlers in about like 5 years. Because I find them really disgusting for the most part, to be honest with you. And one of my crowns popped out. I thought it was a practical joke from the factory. But I felt around and I was like, oh crap, it's one of mine. And the dentist's office can't fit me until tomorrow, which is Cinco de Mayo. So I got to fit in everything today because I'm probably going to get numbed up tomorrow. So that's why I'm drinking a Mexicana today. Joy to the world. Hey! But on today's video, I've been seeing this pop up in a couple restaurants around here lately, and I thought I might give it a try. Fried artichoke hearts. That's right, you heard me. Fried artichoke hearts. I know this is going to be real tasty. Stick around, we're going to get right to it. All you need, some Louisiana seasoned chicken fried batter mix. You can go with the beer batter mix too, if you want to go that way. I'm going spicy. And some artichoke hearts. First thing you do, drain out all the liquid out of your marinated artichoke hearts. Then put half your batter in this bucket. Half your batter in this bucket. Go ahead and add some water now to this one. Stir it around to make a batter. Pour this a little bit more. There we go. Go ahead and dump your artichoke hearts in there. We'll pull them out and put them inside the dry mix when we're ready for them. I've got the burner set to high now. We're going to start pouring in our oil. Alright, now here comes the fun but messy part. Take your artichoke heart pieces. Go ahead and roll it around in your breading mix. Shake off the excess. Dump them in. Now they're going to fry up real quick. Because it's just like frying up pickles. Get your next batch ready. Let them go just for a little bit longer. See how they're floating? Now they're done. Just like that, we're done. Little nuggets of joy, packed full of flavor, real simple, real tasty treat. You could do this for parties, do this anytime, especially with that dat sauce ketchup. Really spices it up. Home run. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day. A turtle.